Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay. I just wanted to reiterate once again, we're well into March now. Spring's upon us. The grass, as you can see, it's coming in, it's turning green. The Bermuda's popping up, the St. Augustine's turning green, and we really are down to the wire. You've got till the end of this month to prevent the weeds from coming up in your lawn the rest of this year. If you don't get a pre-emergent by the end of this month, you will have weeds coming up for the rest of this year. There's no way around it. Everything you're seeing right now, your lawn might have tons of weeds right now. Those are all going to die off, and there's plenty of weeds that are just ready to take those weeds' place, just to take their place. It's a constant cycle with weeds. They germinate, they grow into weeds, they die off, and another one comes in and takes its place. And that's what we're trying to prevent right now. We're wanting to get this pre-emergent out before the end of the month, so that later on this year you're not having to deal with those weeds as they come up. After they come up, after they've germinated, the only way to deal with them is with an herbicide, a post-emergent herbicide. That's the only way you can deal with them, and that's a never-ending battle. You can treat what's there, but there's always going to be more coming up. You got to treat those, and again and again and again. So just keep that in mind. If you want a weed-free lawn this year, you've got to get a pre-emergent put down. You might be getting flyers in the mail, cards on your door, different companies promising different things. But don't fall for any cheap sales tactic trying to promise something that's not going to produce the results you want. If they're not using a pre-emergent and they're not doing it right now, you're not going to have a weed-free lawn this year. And that's a promise that we can't make or any other company can make. You've got to get a pre-emergent out if you want a weed-free lawn. So I've given you the information. If you need more, let us know. I can provide more information if you need it on what to do yourself, if you want to do it yourself. If you want to get an estimate from us, let us know. We can get you an estimate in no time at all. So again, get out there, get it done. Let us know if you need help. Comment below and shoot us a message. We'll be glad to help you out any way we can. Thanks.